In this video, I will show you how to add a bank account in Upwork. First, go to Upwork website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile from the top right corner. In your account settings, click on Get Paid. This is where you manage your payment options. Within the payment method section, you should see an option to add a bank account method. Click on this option to begin the process. After that, select the type of method that you want to add. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details. Firstly, add the SWIFT code. Next, add other details. This typically includes your bank's IBAN, complete name, branch name, bank account type, account number, branch address, and routing number. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with payments. After entering your bank details, Upwork may require you to verify your bank account. This verification process may involve confirming small deposits made by Upwork into your account by providing other forms of verification. Once your bank account is successfully added and verified, you should receive a confirmation message from Upwork. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.